Wow, this place. So, can you ask the fireman I go up?
Yeah, you can come.
Because now's a good time.
Yeah.
I love this vehicle.
Yeah. This same thing?
Let me show the engine. How many horsepower is this?
It's a Grommet engine.
Ah.
Hey. It's 25.
25. 25. Very funny. And it's only for local use, no?
Yeah, only for local use.
This is like a generator engine.
Yeah, like a generator. Actually, it's called a stationary engine in UK.
Ah. I can already feel the heat. Wow, look at the chimneys. Welcome to the brick factory. Okay, these are all the lids. Inside is the fire.
Yeah. It's the night is looking very nice because of you can see the peak.
Can I go to him where he opens? And if yes, how I'll walk there?
No.
Yeah, but I like to video some fire.
No. You will open one. So when you will open, then you can take photo.
Okay.
for you.
And how much ton of wood they use again per week? 60, yeah? Per day?
এই একদিনে কয় মন করে লাগে? একদিনে 500 মন। 500 মনে কত কেজি হয়? কয় টন? 27 মনে 1 টন। Carefully, don't go there.
Yeah. Wow. गरम है
500
बहुत गरम
25 মনে ধরো 1 টন ধরো তাহলে হলো 100 মনে হলো 4 টন 400 মনে হলো 4 গুণ 5 20 টন 18 19 টন আর কি বারবার পাওয়া লাগবে না একবার দিলেও না বাঙালি না It's nearly 18 ton 18 ton every day
18 tons wood per day.
Yeah.
To make 2600 bricks.
No. It's 12 lines. That means 26 into 12. 2600 into 12.
And if you fall into this, you burn.
Yeah, obviously. Why not?
And if you can see, this guy is standing on this cup.
When they will open it again, you can't get anything.
We can only work on this, huh?
Yeah.
Crazy. Oh man, it's hot. Wow, and these bricks also all are part of this factory?
Yeah.
Jesus.
You see what there?
Whoa, this is all part of this?
Yeah.
All have to go in the oven?
They are just finished today,
Yeah.
full round.
Yeah.
And after, hey, manager, ये एक राउंड को कोई लाख 4 लाख 60,000
This is manager?
Yeah.
Hello sir.
This is my friend.
Nice to meet you.
He is also my childhood friend.
This place is amazing.
4 lakh 47,000 that means 4.5 lakh for a round. It's within 15 days.
Yeah, this is all the
yeah.
One.
After 15 days later, they will get 400. That means almost 500,000.
Oh Jesus, crazy stuff. And these ones are finished. Huh? Titu? This is finished, they have to empty. These
Yeah,
ones.
it's finished.
And they're making them.
Yeah. Hey, bala adara. Hey, bala adara. Bala adara. Ana kaskar. Kara lagbe na kaskar. Pura dogar kaskar bhai.
Jeez, how many bricks is this totally everywhere?
Wow.
It's
And,
incredible.
And they like to store it because of sometimes the rains come.
Yeah.
That time they will make some like house. And when it will be hot, weather will be hot. That means after February, that time they will work only one shift. Now is working full day from morning to till evening.
Yeah.
But that time they will work for only for the short time. This for 5 or 6 hours. That time they will production rate will be very slow. So now they are forming much more brick.
Yeah.
Because they can restore it for the next hot time. That time they always just bring it the dry brick and they'll load it and only firing and loading that time more work is firing and loading.
Wow. Amazing place. So, how many bricks totally?
এই কত ইট কাটছিস কত এবার?
এ পর্যন্ত হলো যে 7 লাখ।
7 লাখ। দে
700,000.
হ্যাঁ 700,000
Fuck. Everything by hand.
এভরিথিং বাই হ্যান্ড।
Fuck. Jesus. And this goes 24 hours.
No, only the firing is 24 hour, but forming and what I can say.
Funny machine again.
Yeah, it's different one. It's the different one. It's run by chain.
Oh.
It's not. There is no gearbox or something like that. Nothing like that.
Oh, here comes the truck. I love these machines. They're so cool. They have all these funny machines.
I think we can go over there.
Yeah, you can go up here.
বনশ্রী ক্যাম্পাস।
Oh, Bhunushri campus.
হ্যাঁ, আইডল স্কুল শুনলেই মানুষ মনে করে যে মধুপুর, তারপর মেইন কথা বনশ্রী ক্যাম্পাস। হ্যালো।